Term 3, Unit 7 Information Processing, Part 2. In this session, we are going to learn about exercise 7.1. So, first sum, find the product of the following numbers. First one, 234 into 755. See, student, so far we have multiplied 2 digit with 2 digit, 2 digit with single digit, like that only, isn't it? And also 3 digit with 2 digit also we have done. But here, one more digit, that is 3 digits with 3 digit number. That's it. Okay, don't panic about it, but as usual procedure only. See, watch carefully. Write as usual under the heading of place value. That's very, very important. Don't forget. And this is 3 digit with 3 digit, isn't it? So totally how many digits are here? Good. 6 digits, isn't it? So sure, our answer must be what? Good. 6 digits only. According to the zero law, if we write perfectly means sure our answer will be in 6 digits, right? So let us start with 5 more. 5 4s are 20, isn't it? So 2 digit answer. So single digit means we can write in that place itself, but here we have 2 digits. So 0 here and 2 upon the tens place. Now next move, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. 7 here and as usual upon 100 place. Finally 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 1 here and 1 above on the 1000 place. So there is no number to multiply. So just to bring down the 1 here. Now 1 multiplication is over. Now we are going to move to the tens. So here we have to put 0 in the 1st place. Right. Now let us move to the 6 4 the yes 24. Once again 2 digit answer. So 4 should be here and 2 must be upon the tens place. Then 6 3s are 18 and 18 plus 2 20. So 0 here and 2 above. Finally 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 4 here and 1 above. So just before I have entered, so here we don't have any number, so bring that number down. Do you understand? Yes. Finally come to the 100th place. So in 1st place and 10th place, sure we need to put 0. So that only it will be correct, because we are going to multiply the 100th place. 100 means sure we have the 2 zeros, isn't it? Right. So let us start with 7. 7 4s are 28. 8 here and 2 above on the top. Then 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 23. So 3 here and 2 above. Then one more thing, 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 16, isn't it? So 6 here and 1 above. And bring that 1 as usual, because there is no number to multiply. So bring that 1. Okay. So our part is over. Now we are going to add all those values. That you know, it's easy, isn't it? So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 only. And here 7 plus 4, 11. So 1 here and 1 above on this 100th place value. Now we are going to add all those green digits. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. So 0 here and 2 above, sorry, 1 above. Then if we add all those yellow digits, what will be the answer? 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the correct answer. Here in red digit, 6 plus 1, 7, and 1 should be come down. That's it. So like this, you have to do step by step, right? Patiently you have to do, so that only you'll get a correct answer. Otherwise, it's a very big process. If you miss any one number in this gap, sure our answer will be wrong. So do carefully, ma, and concentrately. That's very important. Find the product of the following numbers. Second sum. 908 into 512. So here also the same procedure. Just watch it once. 2 8s are 16. So 6 here and 1 above. And 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1. 1 only. And 2 9s are 18. 8 here and 1 above. There is no number. So bring down the 1. Now let us move to the tens place. So mention 0 in the 1st place. Don't forget, because if we change the digit, then you will get the wrong answer only. So this is very important part, ma. So 1 8s are 8, and here 1 zeros are 0 only. Now 1 9s are 9. That's it. There is no number. Now let us move to the 100. So we need to join 2 zeros in the 3rd place. Right. So let us start to multiply this 5 with 8. Right. 5 8s are 40. So 0 here and 4 upon the tens place. Right. Now 5 into 0, 0 only. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 should become here. And 5 9s are 45. So 5 here and 4 above. So there is no digit to multiply. So bring down the 4. That's it. Now we are going to add more. 6 plus 0 plus 0, 6 only. In green, yes, 8 plus 1, 9. In 100th place, we need to add 8 plus 0 plus 0. So 8 will be the answer. And here 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. So 14,000 is here. So 4 should be come down and 1 should be upon the 10,000 place. So 5 plus 1, 10, sorry 6. So 6 should be come down and 4 is the last number. There is no number to add. So bring down the 4. That's it. This is the answer, ma. So 4,64,896. Last sum. 481 into 503. Right. As usual, 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24, 4 here and 2 upon the 100th place. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 4 here and 1 above. That's it. Bring down the 1. Now let us move to the 0, that is tens. So join the 0 in one place, ma. Now let us multiply 0 with all those 481. Sure, you will get a 0 only. So mention it. 0 1s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 4s are 0. Right. Now let us move to the hundreds. So attach to 0 first. Let us start with the 5. 5 1s are 5 here and 5 8s are 40. So 0 here and 4 above. Then 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 is there, isn't it? So add that 24. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. So 4 here and 2 above. Bring that 2 down. That's it, because there is no number. Finally, we are going to add all those 3 places. So 3 here and 4 plus 0 plus 0, 4. And in this green, yes, green digits we are going to add. So 4 plus 0, 4 only. Again 4 plus 5, 9. Here yellow digits 1 and 4, just 4 only and 2 only. So 2,41,943. This is the answer for the third sum.